Before 1769, the whole area you stand on used to be Rotten Park, a deer park originally owned by the de Birmingham family, but left untouched for years. The land was later sold off in smaller sections, and when the Birmingham to Wolverhampton Canal was built, the area formed a loop, which became known as the Icknield Port Loop, named after its shape and Icknield Street nearby. In the 1820s, the canal was straightened, creating the island which still exists today. The loop became a hub of activity during the Industrial Revolution, containing canal workshops, stables, boatyards, factories, sawmills and many other businesses. By the 1900s, the site included housing for the ever-increasing population of Birmingham, as well as an Art Deco building which still stands today. By the 21st century, much of the area was derelict and run down, as the canals became less of a place of industry and more of a leisure facility. The area is currently being developed into a sustainable urban neighbourhood without roads or cars. The area hopes to create an attractive place to live, work and visit whilst enjoying the beauty of the canals.